Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy step on how to send challenges on chess.com application. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Chess app and make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the friends icon at the top right hand corner and select one of your friends you would like to send the challenge to. Locate your friend's profile and open it up. Once you're inside your friend's profile, tap on the little challenge icon appearing in green on the top right. Now, you'll need to create a challenge. Select the time period for your challenge at the top of the screen by tapping on this little drop down and select the time. Once you are done, select the challenge type from Standard, Chess 960, Balanced Odds options. Toggle on the button if you'd like your challenge to be rated and select who you want to play as. After you are done, tap on Play in order to start the challenge. They will now receive a notification to accept or decline your challenge that you've created. So that's how easy it is to challenge someone on chess.com. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.